What a beautiful day. Hold up a minute. There is snow on outside, I better take it look. Oh my god, it's snowstorm, I better tell my dad. Dad.
What is it, Billy?
There is snowstorm in outside.
What? Let me check in outside. Oh my god, it's snowstorm. Wait a minute. Is that creature over there in Plotagon City? What the heck, I better go inside and take it rest.
Wanna die? Die. Freeze and death.
No.
Ooh.
Ugh. I didn't get freezed to death. But I'm still alive. But I have not. I am snowstorm monster.
That's it. I have revenge. I'm freezing on you. You stupid green guy. I have to tell Snowstorm King about this. You are not getting away with this. I got report Snowstorm King.
What is it?
Well? Green guy has run away at home. So I died on slap, and he slapped me.
Thanks for telling that. I'm going to deal with him.
Take this.
Ha 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 ha. Little boy has become hero. Why, you little piece of...
No swear words. I'm going to finish you.
No! Please don't finish on me.
Too late.
I died.
Victory is mine, yay.
Wow. Just wow. You defeated Snowstorm King. I'm so proud of you. You're ungrounded. Go to whatever you want.
Thanks, Dad.